guys, what's up? My name is Jennifer. Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I run a travel blog called Where To Now Jenny. It's always linked in the description box below if you want to check it out. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about what's in my toiletries bag. I haven't done one of these since the last time we went to Europe, which was our MSC Preziosa cruise, which I believe was about 3 years ago. So I wanted to just do a little update to this video to show you kind of what's in our toiletry bag. It doesn't usually change very often from cruise to cruise unless, like if I'm driving to port, I might have a little bigger products, but usually the products across the board are the same. And if we're going somewhere that I need a specific product, like in Alaska, I might take bug spray. If I'm going to the Caribbean, I might take reef-friendly sunscreen. If it's something specific, then yeah, it'll change, but otherwise it's usually the same across the board. So let's get into what's in my toiletry bag for this trip. All right, these two bags are the ones that I am taking with me on the trip. This is makeup. We'll look at that later. But first, this is the toiletry bag that I'm going to be taking with me. It's just one that I found at TJ Maxx, Amy Kestenberg. So I just liked how let me unzip it really quick. I liked how when it came out like this, that all of the zippers were upright. I've seen some bags where when you open it up like this zipper is here and then this zipper is over here. So when you hang it up on the wall, then this zipper is at the bottom, everything falls out, which never made any sense to me. So I finally found one with the zippers at the top, so that is the one I'm going to be taking on this trip. In this top zipper pocket up next to the hook, I have mostly little things, a nail file, these are cotton rounds. Then over here I have hair ties, hair clips, nail clippers and tweezers, some eye cream, my toothbrush. I think there's some bobby pins under there. So mostly just little things that I didn't want to get lost in the bottom of the bag. In the second zipper pocket, let me take out some of the stuff that's on top. I have some little already pre-soaped washcloths just in case. I have deodorant, Q-tips, lip mask, dental floss, hair oil, mousse, a little razor that I found at the Dollar Tree of all places, some little facial pads, and my wet brush. And then on top, just had some heartburn medicine and then some makeup wipes. In this last zipper pocket, I have, actually we might be able to see, no we can't, let me take out this. So I have hairspray, some Bioderma micellar water, lotion, perfume, soap, moisturizer, hairspray. Actually, this is also mousse. So mousse, hairspray, toothpicks, and some like heat protectant spray. And then I have 2 micellar waters because I bought this for the trip because I liked how once you used it, it was flat, or like if you didn't use it all and needed to bring it back home, like it just got flatter as you used it. So I bought this for the trip, but then I remembered not really liking this brand, so this is a backup. And I have 2 mousses for the same reason. I have this one, but I can't remember why I wasn't using it, so if it's not any good, it's almost empty, then I'm just going to switch to the one that's in this container. And I should mention this is just my toiletries. My husband has his own toiletry bag, and he has our shampoo and our toothpaste in that bag. All right, now let's take a look at what's in my cosmetic bag. This is just a little hanging cosmetic bag that I got from eBags a long time ago. If any of this stuff is still available, I'll have it linked. So it has a little hook here at the top. And in this top section, I have like all my face makeup. Primers, foundation, my sponge, concealer, setting spray, that kind of stuff. And then it's got this little skinny front pocket. So that's where I have like lip liners, eyeliners, mascara, brow stuff, anything in a little tiny tube or in a skinny tube that I didn't want rolling around. And then in this section, I have like eyeshadow, bronzer, blush, powder in there, so keep it separate. And then I'm going to put my brushes here, but they are being washed. So then that, once you close it all up, is like, it's a fairly small bag. So you can see, here's my hand in reference. And I really like how much it holds, but still is fairly compact. Alright, so that is everything that is in my toiletry bag for our trip to Alaska. If you guys want to follow along with our trip, you can follow me on Instagram at WhereToNowJenny or TikTok if you like. And also you can subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on. That way you'll be the first to know when I post new videos of our Alaska trip. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!